Ago Nami, but I couldn't quite Ishmael Morrison, Chegancho, Ewenyigba TV. Agbamile voter, Vume, Fiona was a mumle. As you can see behind me, you can see a lot of pots as the Kata Umele Diama. When you get to Vume, do you want to appear never as a member pot making? So we are moving across voter. Let me go when I in Agile voter in terms of skill training or skill entrepreneurship. Yaka Agile Drama. Me ada de akova na me na me akọ ta invest so kata like hammer. If you want to invest, come to voter region and invest and you make your profit, I promise you. Keep watching Ewenyigba TV and subscribe on all our social platforms for more updates. Also follow Talk with Jonepa. If you want to talk voter region, don't look elsewhere. Contact Talk with Jonepa on all social platforms. So we take you around voter for interesting tourist sites. Thank you so much, Akpanami, and keep watching. I'll see you in another town. Bye.
Stanley. Yeah. Anya ji jona mi ba to go la fi agba. Ne fi amumi. Ka ka mi jo mi anya le aka ezamama ko je go mi le fiamo. Okay. Le fi ko to. Le ke mi ko je go ma.
Okay, ezamama ala fiamo wo kana mya mama wo je go ma.
Okay.
Aka mya mama wala o sana ashiko woni. Ka ka ba do gapo podema. Aba dobana ntwareva kuyona Mr. Cardio. Cardio kwa le 1949. Ye Cardio va Adriama. Aba no Adriama va fofena. Aka bubotu. Kaka Cardio kwa ako ceramic school ve kenya bows and calves. Yo wana pula. That time Cardio va ni suikata Cardio va fero yenye bana kolebua ojina chibo yonu. Kagoji chifafe. That time atifafe mononyo. Ta Cardio baba ya banu kula won. Ne okula ma oko ina da kolebu afuma okuna chilema ye onunu.
I see.
Okuna chilema nunu. Da eba ma ama gada baswe oyena malaba asari. They have a fear and fear like a woni. Tara kama ma biji huwa kapo mama mite wana ngulu over kayo kwamila afie no. Da mfisisio kaka na do soma oyina nango ko bu movana nyifo. Tabi ba swela bugumana mi fa idango hana ngulu wo ko mi ha mi ba tsegoma abanya hanyi ko fa fala ma ba so ba 1994 yeah 1994 en wa atuama da mi ha mi ba se dollar fia ha hana o fa do hongo yi agobana aleko nwata goma le kadjo fa fa afuma ha abana ba amuva po videle ne ko do ya ma ko bo mo nyonwo ko nyonwo no zama ko kwa fi kadjo afa akala ha mama mi ha mi ba akpogoma le amaba ma block ko ba le kadjo fa anaba mea abanya asra mafa
Okay.
akpenu
Kona mozo na moto mo jiha mapoba o. Nyapa sungdo nya ponto.
ya te fe
Onya ngumi. O na mapo do kanya office na bob play totolo mo. Adala night club play sport play totolo. Ado nya gba o. Onya ngunya popa. Kafike mi apa customer o tuna.
nya te alele ku nya te fe alele ku ko nene mo le moto hema mi wona nguvu le moto ta menye ngudaka ko amadu tu vana ukona upo tata ku vebe mi awona yo mi wona do jina pe nene ma ta yo gara la ma ha you vo ba pene okuna le you vote Africa to over friend ku na over te for we ta manya de o mi la fia manya ba Ghana ko mi wana ka kama bibo kata godo apa de o mi la fia ta amasha me ka ko va fia ba na na hen nai aloji at portrait for ifa afama alo ifa home ifa te for shada ifa swimming pool te for shada ka zaba portrait of more or zaman ko ye never Vume ya ke wa telensinya ko mi plemia ma apa ma anya kpo ajaman amushina.
Okay. Nyato apa na mi da apa na mi Vume ni amile da anya ji join ba mi ba do go mi ato dia u family aka wona esa ple ikon chimu apa e wana za jim boya ple la Ghana fia kwa tere umato nchi wa mbasa gbagboro da tojijo Ibado voter region ka amoji kwenye amile ta Vume ami do emi chofia ami ga na tapo bubu ka ka nwa bia re kwenye ami de fia mi ta nwa ma blanto ele moji gbonalo apena mi
I don't want support.
Alright, so I'm with Emma, and
Anka.
then yes, and then he wants to take us through the process of pot making. He made these beautiful pots. You can see all around, and he wants to take us through the process of pot making. So, pot Emma, can we know what you're doing? What product you're doing actually? Oh, fine problem.
Mio Zedoi. Mi jago me mako be enye meko efe bla efe vatom. Yenke mele do. Ale be ama bubu na inka fe mi amifa. Sike benye asari. On benye brother. Mi one cap. Electric insulators.
Okay.
We ties. We grazing things. Me grazing cap o pitoto mi glaze you. Aso anke amido sepupu leme. Artificial flower fi local flower. Mi dele ezome. Ale be mi bed or we call decoration ne to enye nki enye lamp holder mi dra kanele me ne zadola decorate enya popa ne ko dala wa pen kume alo o hotel alo nano tongwe ne wala enya blight na fine.
Mercury, Fifia, Eka Omnelefia.
Fifia eke sweater ye eke kla vinye we
Eke ma.
eke sweater ki ye artificial flower ko da me center table
okay.
center
So
table
it's a flower pot. Oh, okay. So what he has now is a flower pot.
Flower vase.
A flower vase. Oh, okay.
Because the center table ji sikebe oko artificial flower ako them.
So you can have this in your room, right? In your room on your center table.
Yes.
With your artificial flower in it. Like it's going to look beautiful. Do you have a finished product? Like
yes.
Can we look at it? It will come. Energy will come.
The orange me finish it though. Eke me wo for nje. Artificial flower. Fifia me burning le oven me.
Okay.
Me o fire level.
Okay.
And that fifia tanzen.
That finished product in here.
Finished product.
The paint go.
Oh, me le paint go. Me si na ne. Ele deje oyo be ele jin
Yenya no kono titi lesbian.
Oh, okay.
Kon give don't kon. And then I got it lentin and Malayana as you with a
They are finished product.
and I finished in
All right. So they saying this is a finished product of a flower pot, or what do you call it? A flower vase. So you can have this in your room with your artificial flower in it, and this is the process. And you can see this is still a fresh clay, but this has been through the process. I've been through the oven, and it's ready to be used. And what else can you do with your clay?
Yes, can
Okay, this is the light wood.
yes.
All right, so this.
Ahangi.
Oh, okay.
Ahangi ale boba no.
Well,
Melago. La loka kwa we. Ahangi le jiku. You were the different types. Okay. Atatre ali ha. Asegoma. Ahangi akoka denali. Akona atiala close ale ko.
oh, okay. So this is a lamp holder. They have it in sizes and in different shapes. You can use this. You can beautify your hotel, your resorts with this lamp holder. So you can, if you want the lamp holder and you want to do everything natural, everything Africa, then come to Vume and then purchase a beautiful lamp holder made by clay.
As on me time wo boss.
Okay.
We call one lemon.
Oh, you can eat in this.
Mizana red nke.
You can eat with this.
Yada mizana red nke ko polish here.
Thank you,
Yada mele ko na ya is a cream.
Oh, okay.
No kala nyigba. Yada mele wo gena na akpo fifla.
Oh, okay. So what he's doing now is
Polishing.
Okay, polishing. So after polishing, it goes into the oven. Oh, okay.
Come here.
Beautiful. Cool. Smooth, very smooth, very smooth.
Aso 40 yeah. Oh no, welcome on. No, I was sunny. Yeah. Atando pepper.
Okay.
Onion. And they said
Atando
lemon. I know water. I know she demi. And your gala nyebe ele stone ekpe kwide kakoge.
Okay.
Akwale mi nwodu ole bomia. Akwadala malie. Kafa miss manu akotoro gome. Eme. Kafe adono. Eda ebe nkan ta mako pe kuma dala. Afebe ne deshinwe. E se akomo ado to anigba.
Okay.
Wane ke mone dia ri la papa.
E ne he mone ke febe onko ye popologe.
Okay.
E se meta atro anigba ma do lemo.
Okay.
Yeta oduo ngede leme. Menye fla ndudu ye odue amo na igen. Menya mele. That's never a loss ye kodue. Eba do makani leme. for kuto brejaji obey. Atando tell me, omido the leggy po. If in your brother, me do the leggy or 1 year fine.
Okay.
And many Friday they you. Ellie, different. I know, no.
Oh, so what he's saying is you can also grow food crops in it, like potatoes, yams, pepper. You can grow a lot of food crops, not just for flour. So I think it's good. It's my first time hearing this though.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a very brilliant idea. So you can have a mini garden in your pot. That's interesting, and we
Yes.
appreciate you too.
Yes. And the next time to the layer of him, I probably will.
Ma code that oh
Hey,
yeah,
I
take
like
from
to the
Morgan.
Yeah.
now.
Welcome to the Volta region. We are here making clay pots. As you can see here, I actually have one. It's amazing for storing your water. It keeps my water very cool, very clean. So you can put any kind of water in there, and the clay, it will actually help cleanse your water, making it much more fresh. Burn some lemongrass inside of it to give a nice lemon flavor. And it's an enjoyable piece of decorative art for your kitchen or any place you want. And handmade right here. Be spinning right here. They heat it right here. 2 weeks to dry. But put your order in. Peace.
All right.